And Vala's wedding is on the 29th?
28th, I think.
28th, yeah.
28th is a Saturday.
Yeah. Because it's the day before my sister and Chele's birthday.
Right.
The Nuts and Chele.
Right. And it is my friend Sarah's birthday.
Happy birthday, Sarah.
Yep.
Like, happy birthday! We love you, bitches. We are at the Motel 6.
In the Dalles. Wait. We're going this way. See? We got one of the last available rooms on a Tuesday night.
Because of firemen and people evacuating their homes because of the substation fire.
And other fires that have been cropping up because fire season has started.
Yep. And we are here with Kit's underwater phone.
That phone that brought you sharks and rays.
That I didn't edit at all. Like, okay, post. No way, I think I put the name of the place on the video, and then I just left everything else the same. Swimming. Don't swim when you have diarrhea.
Really?
First one. Don't swallow pool water. Well, I already broke that one.
And it's salty as hell.
Yeah, salt water. Shower with soap before swimming. Well, I broke
Oops.
that one.
Sorry, no shower.
On frequent bathroom breaks.
Rhett, do you need a bathroom break?
No.
Okay.
I'm kneeling right now. Change diapers in specific changing areas.
Do you need your diaper changed?
I think I'm good.
Okay.
Wash children thoroughly before swimming.
You should probably do that anyways.
Yeah. Attractive.
You know, it's your dating call.
Let's get married.
I think that would give my sister-in-law too much satisfaction.
Oh, so that's your only reason.
Well, it's not like I'm against girls. It's just I don't want to be against girls. And here we see the wiggly red butt. What was that? All right. Y'all ready for this?
Come on, you can do it! Ooh, that was a good one.
That was a good one. This light coming up out of the water.
What?
You see this light coming up out of the water?
Her new hair.
Yep. A-line bob. Because my hair was too long and it was getting really tangled.
And how long was it?
Too long.
What, like hip length, butt length?
Mid-back.
Mid-back, okay.
Yeah. It certainly isn't anything like the length of yours.
Really? I thought our hair was about the same length.
Oh no, yours is longer.
It is?
Uh-huh. Now it's definitely longer. Oh, I found a jet. Oh. Or did you pee?
I didn't pee.
Neither did I.
I just meant like a jet in the sky, so I'm looking around. Yes, the rat knows things. The rat is starving.
Oh. What does the rat want to eat?
Food.
Well, that's helpful.
Right. And this is the rat's hair without a hair tie. Which didn't help at all.
Get your head underwater. The other direction. Well, that kind of works. There we go. Yes, all of that hair.
Okay, are we ready for this?
I guess we're ready for this.
Rat's hair, people.
You can't see it amongst the dark clothing.
Well, you'll see the end of it.
Right, where the hand is on her butt. Yep. In the ass crack.
Yeah.
Timber!
That hurt.
I told you it would.
I just said bird. Is it recording?
It's recording. My love.
Woo!
And it's recording again.
You bitch.